Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you midline option advanced techniques. In the beginning, let's go to advanced techniques in skills trainer menu. Go to midline option.
Here we go.
Option midline handoff. When the dive read defender takes the quarterback, keep the play by holding A button.
Here we go.
When the dive read defender takes the quarterback, keeps the play by holding A button.
Here we go.
When the dive read defender attacks the running back, run the ball with the quarterback past the line of scrimmage, keep the ball by holding A button.
Here we go.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.